how to sell penny stocks on Robinhood. So this is going to show you how to sell your penny stocks on Robinhood just as easy as if you were to buy one. So go ahead to your Robinhood app, and once you log in, it'll show you all your stuff here. So I have a bunch of random penny stocks here. So what we can do is just kind of pick one, and I will just choose this one here. And what you want to do is once you're here and you're in the correct stock that you want to sell, go ahead and hit trade, and then go ahead and hit sell. And it's real easy to just choose where it says individual and it shows you the amount of shares that you have. It says sell all and then the stock name. So I will go ahead and click sell all, and it will give you a summary of what you're actually selling, the market and the price and all that stuff. So go ahead and just swipe up to submit. It'll take Robinhood a quick second, and that's it. It will also give you the confirmation of what you sold, the account that it was from, and all that stuff, all the information that you need. You go ahead and hit done, and then that's it. That's how you would go about selling penny stocks on Robinhood.